Welcome back, everybody. So today I decided to take the truck out for a little bit of off-roading, just to let it run in four-wheel drive for a minute. And today we're going to talk about something that's quite common with these trucks, the four-wheel drive engagement problem. So basically, you'll go to put your truck in four-wheel drive, and the light will just flash on and off like this. And I mean, admittedly, when I first got the truck, that threw me off too. Like, what's this? But this is how you fix it. Once you're in four-wheel drive, put your truck in drive, and then just drive forward a little bit. And you are now successfully in four-wheel drive. I've actually heard guys say it's not so much an issue once you've put some miles on your vehicle, north of 100,000. It's just more of an issue when the truck is new, strange as that may sound. But the good news is it's nothing serious to worry about. Just keep using it every now and then so it's there when you need it. And don't forget, new videos every Sunday. Like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. I will see you guys next week.